Hello, how are you? My name is Joiner Carvajal Gonzalez. This is presentation Step 6, Preparing Technology Negotiation. In this presentation, we can review how important aspects for technology negotiation is heard that the direct and indirect mechanism of technology transmission, transfer, and determinate. As direct mechanism, the license to use technology and the sale of technology are maintained, which constitute the clearing from of transmission of technical knowledge. The license is way of transmitting technology to run is leasing. The sale contract is a way of transferring technology. The sale of technology is a mechanism that is not uncommon and listening and abnormality referring to has patent technology. We are the industrial property rights and harlems. We also have to in Colombia the legal protection of software is done through the deposit of the software before the national direct of the rights. To start the patent process, you must know that the requirements to be met are to use it by a national copyright director. And what is the deadline to sign the leasing agreement? Should hit or complete and in time to perform any of the following activities: launch of a product, publication of a press release, participation in a trade show or conference, start of recent projects, start of manufacturing or sale, carrying out investment or acquisition, sale operation. Thank you very much.